Hello folks, so another day. We're about to go on the buggies after going to the wrong place, but here we are, finding the right place. So we're there, so I'll just show you some footage hopefully on the buggies and we'll see how it goes. So on the way to the buggies now, about to jump on. It's a 3-hour journey, just driving about off-road as well. Jesus Christ, there's clouds! So hopefully you enjoyed the clips of us off-road bugging, and that is it complete for today. It was pretty good. We got all burned and tanned and sand everywhere. That's why we had the big masks on. So yeah, it's really good. I would recommend it. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. Yeah, so hope you've enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe.